Welcome to Getting It Done Budget Home Repairs. Yes, we got the big snowstorm here as well, but I think other places got it more than we did, although we do have a lot of snow. Check this out. So now we have to clean up. The problem is we've had a lot of snow this winter and running out of places to stack it. Like, I plow snow with my ATV, but you can only push back the side so far. You know, I started pushing snow back far when I first started and earlier in the season. Like, look at this. So, like I said, I pushed it back far so that when it got to this point, if it ever got to this point, our driveway wouldn't close in on us. But we're getting to the point where it's so much snow, you get to that point where the driveway does close in on you no matter what, and you can only do so much. So we just have to deal with it. In other ways, sometimes I'll go along the sides with my snow blower and push the snow up and over. On my long driveway up there, my quarter-mile long driveway, what I'll do is I'll go up the sides, one side and down the other, with my snow blower after I've done plowing, because I can't get the snow, all the snow up over the banks, and that helps. Look at the snow on my gazebo. It's like over a foot deep. It's crazy. Look at the snow here, like running out of places to put snow. We're getting so much. We'll be all right. It's just like, I'm glad there's not a whole lot of winter left. I can't see it snowing like crazy all through February. I hope it doesn't. My truck was dragging. It's deep. we're gonna try something, seeing these banks are the way they are. Look at that. So I'm gonna come and hit this snow right here, just on the edge here, just enough to send it up, some of it over. I did it on this side. It sends some of the snow over, and then whatever's left I'll get with the snowblower. I'll tell you, this CF Moto C-Force 500 does the job. It's a strong machine. It's been going for 3-4 years for me now. Loving it. I don't think I've ever seen snow like this here though. So actually I got it in high gear, and we're going to do about 30 as we're going here. Just enough, get enough speed just to shoot the snow up over the bank here, as much as we can anyway. You can see it clears up the sides pretty good. This snow is deep. So we're getting some of it done. We'll do like this side, then we'll do the other side, and it'll do okay. That'd be good. I just hope we don't get a ton more snow throughout the season. How much wider this gets. You're taking about a foot on each side, so it really helps make the driveway wider.